Hey y'all, Irix guy here. Just another disappointment with the 2017 Passat SEL. You can see I've got, it thinks there's something around me, but if you look, there's a train way up there. There's nothing over here, and there's nothing on the ground at all. So, and now there's one in the back saying there's something in the back. So I'm going to roll forward just an inch. Now I've got like a solid red wall to the right of my vehicle, which there's nothing over there. So this is really upsetting. I just had the entire computer system replaced to resolve an issue, or in quotes rather, resolve an issue with a fog light, which was determined to be a computer issue versus a wiring issue. Although that seemed to, the fog light problem has not reappeared. But now I'm getting this. Now I did not get this immediately after the Volkswagen Passat computer replacement. It's been a few weeks. Now it is worth mentioning that it is 23 degrees Fahrenheit, so I don't know if I can attribute this error to the extremely or semi-cold temperature, or if this is just the norm. But it's really upset me because this Passat drives really well, and it's got a lot of nice features, but if my features are becoming fiascos, I don't know what to think. Tell me what you think. If you encountered this problem before, what did you do to fix it? Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.